That's right.
It's not done yet. Now you
No
go.
one has, okay. The five basic laws. No one has the right to hurt another person. Education in the classroom are sacred. Those only two you want me to read, right?
Yeah, I'm trying to get somebody else to read some more. It's teamwork, right? All right. So, Angel, can you read 3 and 4? Angel, are you there? Goodness gracious. Courtney, what about you? Can you read 3 and 4?
Paving the way that will discredit ourselves, our school, or our family. And excel Academy Southwest student is always a lady or a gentleman.
Thank you, sir. All right. We take pride in Excel Academy of Southwest. Got some powerful students in here. Now, let's come back down here to the 5 academic norms. Looks like somebody else is coming into class. So, the 5 academic norms. Trying to see who's going to say it. Oh, Aaliyah
I
has made it. You'll take it, Aaliyah?
Yeah, I do all of them.
Go ahead, Aaliyah.
We respect the opinions of others. We respect the culture of the classroom. We are attentive and participate. We have high expectation for ourselves, our peers, and our teachers. We are here to focus on preparing ourselves for post-secondaries endeavors.
She said that with some scrumph. Way to go. All right. So, today, if you click on that link for EDSB, and everybody who read got points, I understand my Mr. and Mrs. My mic don't work. That helps you not get the points though. Some of y'all to work on getting that fixed before quarter 2 starts. Because a lot of teachers are gonna be asking you to do presentations and speak. All right, but let's do what you can do, which is that Bitmoji classroom. Now, instead of doing share outs, I've looked at period 1, and some people only still have one slide done. They didn't do nothing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna share out what Miss Brown has done, and she's done an awesome job. And you guys use this as an example to finish up. You do have to put links in there. And Lisa, all she has to do just to she has to stay here because she has to have credit for attendance, but she's pretty much done with the final exam. So I asked her all she need to do in each class is just help you guys get a little further. All right. Now it's up to her if she wants to share her screen and show you what she did, or if she just wants to respond in the chat. It's up to her because she's the first one finished. I think Mr. Valdez is another student that's done, and Mr. Carson. And I'm gonna share their presentations in a moment as well. Those presentations also will be available to share out to quarter 2 students who have me in this section of my classroom, right? So you have this classroom set up in EDSB. So that's Lisa's, and this is the one I've been sharing yours. Lisa's is on pretty much the prep period. And if you notice, you click on this second period, it'll take you to Lisa's project. Now, each period is going to have a student best work section, and other things in the room will be student best works. But it's up to you guys to finish it because if you don't do this today, then by 8 p.m., there is a final exam inside of EDSB. So if you click on that same link that we've been talking about since Monday, you will see a PDF in there for those that do not want to finish this. I thought it was simple Bitmoji class. All right. So this is computer science and come out of here. We're in physics, right? Like, why is it showing something? That was their final exam. And a student was like, I just want to program. And she didn't want to do the Bitmoji. So she did the final exam. Same thing for you guys. Because you don't want to do something and I gave you an easy alternative, don't mean there's not something else to do. So if you go inside your physics class and you go to that same assignment, which is the final exam, right? And I'm going to go to with the final exam. Here it is. Yep. And if I click here, you'll notice, yep, there's a PDF. So you click on the PDF and lo and behold, there's a quiz. But it's really just a final exam. Okay, so it's up to you to do this final exam by paper with all steps and do by 8 p.m. tonight using your notes and videos, or you could do the Bitmoji classroom. All right, so I'm gonna give you 25 minutes to share out what you're gonna start on, whether it's the final exam in paper or the Bitmoji classroom, like Miss Brown has done. Either way, she can help you with the notes for the final exam, because I know she knows this is really, really easy, or she can help you out with the classroom part. But 25 minutes, you guys got to share out something because I'm trying to add the final scores. Today is the last day you're in class for quarter one. Tomorrow, you guys don't come to class. We come to work though. So take some time and figure out which route you want to go. But you need to share out after this 25 minutes for this last minute of the final exam. Figure out which one you want to do. That exam in there or the Bitmoji. Okay, and you got to share out in the end. Now, Rush, this is the part where I got to catch up on the CPS Khan Academy for my seniors and juniors testing stuff. So just let me know if you need me in the chat.
Okay.
Lisa, if you could help out Mr. Rush with any technical questions, I'll be here, but I'm also trying to hear them.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you both.
You can mute your mic, Tyler. Oh yeah, thanks.
Angel, you said something? The internet was moving slow. Okay. Okay, that was fun. Let me switch back. Seems like nobody's using the chat. So y'all just working it out, I guess. How much time we got left here? It's about 16 more minutes for you to share out some work. You're either working on the final exam PDF, which is, I think, 7 questions, or you're working on the slide or the Bitmoji classroom where you're explaining your best works as Lisa Brown has done. Now, this is an example of Lisa's. I said I'll show you guys another one. This would be Mr. Carson from, I think he was a student of the month. He finished his up. And where is it at? It's a Bitmoji classroom. That's mine's. He presented his a moment ago. Where is it at? Nope, that's still mine's. See if I can find it for you guys. Okay, so, I took attendance. I gotta check that again. I probably didn't submit it to the office. All right, Carson. Yeah, here we go. So let's see if this is the updated version. It is. This is the one. Okay, so I'm gonna grab this link and you can see what he did with his in computer science. Now he has computer science programs in his. These are the games he programmed in the class in terms of make code as well as MIT Scratch. So it's another presentation. So I'm going to be included in that. He's going to be included here in the Bitmoji as first period. And Lisa's in my slide deck I gave you guys in second if you want to check it out. So I click on the icon just to show you guys what I meant by attaching your works. You zoom in so you can see it. And if you notice, I clicked on this first period locker, right? Make sure I select it. It's now selected with this blue box. You can click on that link like I told you and attach things to it. So I'm going to attach his work here for his final exam. It's the best work. So I got first period, second period, and trying to get third and fourth best works from students. Those are the classrooms. You can use things like your previous quizzes that you scored higher on to attach to your classroom though. Right, so where's his link at? It's right here. I'm going to take this link, which is his, just show you guys how I usually do it. Come back to my classroom I'm working on. That's Lisa's stuff. It's right here. And I'm going to put that right here. I'm going to paste it in there. So apply. And there you have it. So now I have a link, which is this one is for Lisa. And this one is for Mr. Carson. So it's first period, second period. And when I hit present, this is how you know it works. I can go to this and you see it turns to a hand. I click on that and I come to Mr. Carson's work. All right. If I come here to second period, it now takes me to Lisa's work. So these are STAR students, and I'm trying to have a cabinet of STAR students. I want to turn other objects in here with other presentations you guys have done. That's why it's a final exam. So how much time you got left? Wanted to let you just scroll through Carson's. And where are we at? And see the clock. So about 12 more minutes before we do share outs and see how far you've gotten with either the test or the Bitmoji class.
Hey Tyler, you back? Or are you still multitasking?
I'm sorry, Rush. I didn't hear what you said.
Oh no, it's okay. I was asking, were you back or were you still multitasking?
Oh, I'm back now.
All right, cool. Because I was only asking because I was about to jump off real quick. I got to set up for something.
You good?
Ah,
All right, thanks. All right, let me turn this on because I didn't hear him. Put this on the TV screen. There we go. I'll be able to hear you guys better. Okay. All right, so 8 more minutes, everybody. We're gonna share out. Finish strong. This is the last day of class for you. I mean, not for this quarter, but not the last day of class for the year. Leah left. Oh no. Okay, okay, Lisa, go to the bathroom. You troubleshooting, Leah? Is it fixed? Can you hear us? It
No, I
started.
thought I had hung up because I thought that I was getting a call from UPS.
Um, about a job.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm. You working on your Bitmoji?
yeah. Well, I'm done, but I'm editing it some more because it looked terrible, and the
It's
way
okay.
how Lisa had her set up, I need to do math like that. I forgot to put the date.
She gave you some good ideas, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got until 8 to finish it though. I just need you to share out what you've done so far, so don't panic. But at 8 p.m., that's it for this. Because I got to start putting grades in, y'all. You either gonna do that final quiz, which looks like a lot of work, or you're gonna do this classroom. So you choose. Jacqueline, are you working over there? Or are you sleeping? Like you under the covers, just looking at us. She gonna type it up. Yeah. She said I'm working. All right. I believe. 6 more minutes. We got to shout everybody. Um, we got here 11:10, so we don't have much time left to get something done. Uh, so that's 5 more minutes. It'll be 10:45. We do share outs. So Angel left early again. I gotta find out why he keeps doing that. Can't do the next. All right, so it's about time for share outs. She said back. Okay. So right on time, Lisa, because that was the end of the timer. So who would like to share first? I mean, it's only two of you guys. I think Angel left on us early. So Jacqueline, do you have anything so far as your Bitmoji class, or were you working on the quiz? Or I'm sorry, not quiz, but the final exam. Kind of giving it away. Yeah. Okay. Can you share your screen? I don't know how she's doing it, laying down, working like that. Y'all killing me. I got you sitting up working. But let's see what she got. She's gonna prove me wrong. There you go. You're sharing. Okay. The first slide got her laying on the couch. Jacqueline, for real. Y'all too young to be acting like old people. Okay, you're sitting up in this one. That's better. Goodness gracious, you kids. Okay. All right. So before you're done, Jacqueline, what I want you to do is come over to your no, I was gonna show you something. You stop sharing. I'm gonna show you how you publish it so you can share it out correctly. So share your screen one more time. There's just a few more steps you gotta do. Because it seems like you're almost done with it. Now I want you to click on file. Where's your file stuff at? Your screen is a little different too. Oh, you got the options hidden. Hit that little arrow button. Come up, come up. Yeah. There we go. Now click on file and come down to publish to the web. Come all the way down. Click on that. You're going to click on turn it to a minute. You see where it says every 3 seconds, change it to a minute. Every minute, yep. And select both of those and hit publish. Okay, yep. Next, you're going to copy that link and let's put it in the chat, okay? And I'm going to review it right now. So you know how to copy that link? You hold control and press C, I think, right? Oh, she got it. And enter. Let me see if I have it. I got it. Thank you, Jacqueline. You can stop presenting. Oh, so I guess she can get some work done on the bed or the couch. All right, so let me see here, everybody. Let me stop sharing this. Go here. Anybody else like Courtney or Leah? You guys ready to present? How did you start the Bitmoji stuff? So Courtney, Lisa, do you want to answer this or should I? 'Cause I think your explanation was easier.
Now you can answer because I'm
Oh,
complicated at explaining.
okay, okay. So basically, Courtney, if you go to this link here, you got to install it on your browser, just like an extension. So Bitmoji, B-I-T, Moji, right? And what you do is you go to the site, and I'll put the link in the chat for you. I don't know if you have a Snapchat or some account, you create one too. You go and you pretty much install the link. And I think you click on the one for Chrome here. Okay. So take a moment to do that if that helps you. Aaliyah, what do you have so far? Do you have your classroom ready to present?
Yeah.
All right. Why don't you go ahead and share? Um, Courtney, I don't know if you can see my screen, but it looks like this site. I put the link in the chat for you. But it looks like this. You're going to scroll all the way down once you get there till right about here and look for the Bitmoji for Classroom or for Chrome desktop. Waiting on you, Miss Mims, when you're ready. Let me stop sharing. Okay, you're presenting, and what are you working on there? Where's your classroom at? There you go. Okay, and that's your first. That's your introductory. All right. Okay. Now, are you in Google Slides, Leah?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna need you to log in. Okay, you send me. Let me see here. Do you have a way to publish it like we do?
What you mean by that?
Okay, so those three dots, what do they do in the corner? Okay, hold on. What does it say? Can you turn it sideways, Lee? It's hard to see that.
Hold on.
That's a lot better. Okay. So scroll down. It says share export. What does share export say? All right, keep going down. I want to see. Okay, save. Aaliyah, do link sharing. Can you turn it on? Okay, and you got the link. Put the link in the Google the Google Meet chat real quick. The link should be, you should be able to copy paste. It should be there. I think you got it. Hold on, let me see if that's it.
I think it is. Yeah, it is.
And this is Elias. All right, pretty good so far. Okay, so I mean, as long as you're working on it, Leah, because it looks like you're working on your phone. I thought about this last night. I can still see it this way. Okay, so everything you do, I need you to finish up everything by 8, though. I know you don't have a computer.
All
Do your
right.
best. Courtney left. Like, what happened, dude? We weren't done. All right. What was I saying? So I think that's like, what was it, 11:10 we in. Give you guys about 5 more minutes. Does everybody know how to share their works? That's what I want to talk about. So if you find your best work by going to Esby, right? And you download it first. So this is what Lisa has and Carson has. So if I come to your class, let's do one to help Aaliyah out. So if I go to physics and I go to Aaliyah's assignment, let's see if she did one pretty good. Let me scroll over. Let me give you guys time to catch up. So let's say this one is a pretty good assignment from Aaliyah, right? In physics. You're going to take this assignment, open it up, and you're going to download it, right? So this is one of Aaliyah's assignments. And it's pretty good because she has the graphs and everything. So all you do is you hit the download button. This is for Miss Camacho if she's trying to finish up too. You download it first. You saw it download over here. And then now you need to upload it to Google because you got to put it in the Google Drive. So when you open your project, it works. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here, open the tab, drag it over, and make sure you're in your account for Google. She said I'm not presenting. Thank you. How about now? Because that's right, Leah was presenting, right? So can you see me now? So basically, all I was saying was you have this is one of Aaliyah's works. You're going to download it from here from Edsby, right? And then you come over to your Google Drive and you put that assignment in there because you're going to use it as a link. So you could start off to make it easy on you, just making a folder and then put it in there. But you just click new, file upload because it's the file you want, and I already downloaded it from Edsby. So once it loads, it's going to let me download a particular file. Open a menu up. There's the menu. And this is Aaliyah's project that I downloaded a PDF from Edsby. And your work is still there if you guys want to find your best works. You click on it, hit open. Google will upload it to your cloud so you can use it for later. Now, once you do that, you got to find where it is because it's real simple to add it as a link. So where'd it go? Where'd it go? We're looking for Aaliyah's paper in my Google Drive now, right? So I'm gonna keep scrolling until I find it. It's probably at the bottom because it's a new file. Let me. Yeah, I got a lot of files, right? So let me do this. Second period, right? You can also search. I know Lisa does this. Second period, Leah Mims. Click on that, and there it is. This is the what I downloaded. I can click on this link here, and I pretty much, if I locate it where it is, I could always go back to it. Just hit second, and then make a list, and I can just right click on hers and say, "Hey, get the link for this." Grab the link, right? And then come back to your form. It says, what do you want to do with this link? This is what I was telling you guys. Make sure it's not restricted. You want anyone with the link to be able to see it. So now I'm going to take this link and I'll put it into Aaliyah's folder or a file for her so she can see how that's done. So this is not Aaliyah's. Where was Aaliyah's at? Here it is. So if I want to say where she's saying yes, oh goodness, this girl's something else. What we can do is, see, Aaliyah, this is good, but you don't want to squeeze it all in there. So I give you full credit for that. But I was telling you to do is this, and you're having trouble with it because you're not on a computer. But you got it in view only, so I can't help you. All right, so I'm gonna request access, Aaliyah, and what you would do is you would attach the link of the paper to parts in your presentation. You still need backgrounds though, Aaliyah.
I
All
don't
right,
know how to do that. I
okay.
don't think I'm gonna be able
Because
to
you're on
do
the
that
computer.
because I'm on my phone.
Right. Well, try what you can. Even if you don't get it all done, I'm gonna try to work with you on scoring. Because it's like you're on the last slide. You almost got you put all the work in there somehow. Wow, that's pretty cool.
I'm just putting the
Okay,
dates and everything on it so
okay,
nobody won't get confused.
I got you. But you did pretty good. See, we if you was gonna do this, I would squeeze the numbers onto the slide and put them in two sections, right? So I sent you a request for access, so I can just get beyond this review only, and maybe I can help you with a little bit of it tonight. All right. So, but keep working at it. It is 10:59. We can leave in 5 more minutes. So I'm gonna give you 5 more minutes of class to keep working on the ask me questions. All right. Let's do this. Great job, though, Aaliyah. She kept working at it. Looks like you did all the classes, right? Yeah. And
Yeah.
slides. All right. You've been working at it. All right. So use this 5 minutes to finish up, and if you can, put the links to your works like Lisa did in Edsby under the right assignment. That's the final exam. It says Bitmoji Classroom. If you do that, you don't have to worry about that final exam PDF in there. Okay. But you have to turn in one or the other before 8 p.m. tonight. So when the clock expires, you guys will be free to leave. Lisa, you can leave a little early, and thank you for all your help. I'll see you next period, dear.
You're welcome.
Jacqueline, you saying the links to your works? Yeah, once you download it to Google, you're gonna let me show you what I was trying to do in mine. Okay, so I think I explained this maybe earlier. So once you get your work on Google Drive, you're gonna take that link and look at this 8 ball, right? This is not mine's. This is the presentation mode. There we go. So if we look at, like, for instance, in this classroom, let me zoom out. You got this 8 ball here, and let me go to fit. There we go. And if I click on it, it's an object. Once I click on the object, I can recode it with a link, is what I was telling you. And if I take the link that Aaliyah gave me, right, I could put that link inside of there. So this link is here. This is what Aaliyah gave me for her work. And now you guys will be able to find it within my classroom. So she'll be the 8 ball now. All right. So I'll just click on the 8 ball. I did that. I hit this insert link button here, and I just put her link right there. Now anybody that comes across my classroom can see Aaliyah's slides. Okay. And you know it works is once you do that, you hit present. And if we click on my classroom and click on 8 ball, there's Aaliyah. All right, but if she doesn't have it in presentation view yet, it's only in view. So this way it still keep people from looking at her work, or not looking at her work, but taking her work and trying to edit it. So it's forever in her portfolio if she wants to show employers that she's done physics or engineering. Okay, I hope that answers your question. She said, I did that. Okay, I'm asking if we have to do something like explain our work or something. Right. So I was saying use YouTube to make a YouTube link and put that in your classroom if you can. It's just a 1 or 2 minute video explaining each work. So what you did in that assignment, but only 1 to 2 minutes. It doesn't have to be long. So I did this, and here's what I understood. It was hard, whatever the case may be, Jacqueline. But I don't know if you can do that because you said you have microphone issues. So maybe you could put, because you can't use your microphone, maybe you could put, let's say, a video that it reminds you of the assignment. You find a short video and link that video to that part. That's an idea. So why don't you look on YouTube and see some videos that explain what you might have went through, and I'll give you credit for that. It kind of explains a little bit of what you did there, but choose your works first. All right, so it's 11:05. This class ends at 11:10. I want to be true to my word. Some students left early, and that was unfair, but you guys stuck around. So you got any more questions you can ask right now? You have 4 minutes of class left, or you're free to go and get ready for GGI. Does everybody know what the GGI link is in ESB? It's under the townhouse link. Everybody know how to get there? Aaliyah, Jacqueline?
You said that's in the townhouse. What's it called?
So if you go in ESB,
Townhouse link.
yes. You see it?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, I see you guys over there. And Aaliyah, I got scholarship information for SAT stuff.
All right.
You should try to check it out real soon so we get you signed up for that. It's called free money, right? All right.